In this video, let us discuss solving system of linear inequalities. For example, we have y is greater than negative 2x minus 5, and the other equation is, the other inequality is y is less than or equal to x plus 3. So solve natin to. Ang gagawin natin ganito. I-analyze natin, of course, inequality after inequality. Unahin muna natin sa taas. Kopyahin ko lang ha. Y greater than negative 2x minus 5. The idea here is, kailangan mo munang hanapin yung boundary line. Okay? Mamaya maintindihan nyo kung ano yung boundary line. Pero paano natin mahahanap ang boundary line? Palitan natin yung inequality ng equal. So gawin muna natin siyang linear equation. So we have y is equal to negative 2x minus 5. Right here, the slope is negative 2. So ang slope ay rise over run. At ang slope natin ay negative 2. Pero ang negative 2, pwede natin yung maririte as pwedeng 2 over negative 1 or pwede ring negative 2 over 1. Kahit ano pwede. Also, yung y-intercept natin ay negative 5. Ngayon, i-graph muna natin yan. Okay, so i-graph natin. Una, i-plot natin yung y-intercept, which is negative 5. So that's right here. Next, gamitin natin ang concept ni slope, rise over run. So angat tayo ng 2 units and then 1 unit to the left. 2 units up and 1 unit to the left. So right here. Ngayon, mag-draw tayo ng line. However, bago kayo mag-draw ng line, i-analyze nyo muna yung inequality symbol. Wala yang equal, so greater than lang yan. Ibig sabihin, itong boundary line ay hindi kasama sa solution. Ibig sabihin, kailangan mong i-drawing yan with a broken line. So ito yung boundary line. Ngayon, system of linear inequalities ito, ang graph ng linear inequalities ay region, hindi straight line, okay? So pwedeng dito sa side na yan, or pwedeng sa kabilang side dito. Paano natin malalaman? By testing some points. So mag-test point tayo. Test point. Kahit ano, pwede nyo naman i-test. Pero the best na coordinates na i-test point nyo ay the origin, when x is 0 and y is 0. Ngayon, copyahin natin to, yung ating inequality, y is greater than negative 2x minus 5. Substitute natin yung mga points. Y is 0, greater than negative 2 times x, which is also 0, minus 5. And right here, we have 0 greater than negative 5. Is 0 greater than negative 5? Yes. This is true. Ibig sabihin, yung 0, 0 na to, yung origin, kasama siya sa solution. This is the origin, 0, 0. And dahil kasama siya sa solution, i-shade natin itong portion na to. So, ayan yung graph ng inequality na y is greater than negative 2x minus 5. Ngayon, move forward tayo sa ating other inequality. So, magbubura muna ako ng board. We have y is less than or equal to x plus 3. First step, hanapin natin yung boundary line. So, papalitan natin yung inequality symbol ng equal sign. Y equals x plus 3. And the slope here is 1, right here. So, the rise over run is equal to 1 or 1 over 1. Pwede rin ang negative 1 over negative 1. It's up to you. The y-intercept is positive 3. Ngayon, i-plot natin ang boundary line. So, the y-intercept is 3. So, 1, 2, 3, right here. And then, gamitin natin ang rise over run. So, mag-rise tayo ng 1 unit and then run ng 1 unit. So, about right here. Mag-draw tayo ng, this time, straight line kasi ang inequality symbol natin ay less than or equal. Ibig sabihin, yung boundary line included siya sa solution. Yan. Ayan yung boundary line. Tapos, analyze natin kung saan ang region yan. Mag-test point din tayo. Gagamitin natin, again, si origin. x0, y0. Copy natin yung inequality. Y is less than or equal to x plus 3. Substitute natin, y is 0 and x is 0. So we have 0 is less than or equal to 3. And this is a true statement. 0 is indeed less than 3. So ibig sabihin, yung origin included siya sa solution. So kapag mag-shade tayo dito sa part na to, yung included yung origin. So ngayon, ano ang solution natin? Ito ang solution. Yan, yung intersection or yung overlapping ng kanilang region. Yan. However, mag-iingat kayo sa mga boundary lines. Okay, next natin yung i-analyze. Shade ko lang to. Tapos pagdating sa boundary line, ito ay solid. Yan. Ito naman, broken. So, ayan ang solution. Yung overlap sa katong boundary lines dito. Okay, next problem tayo. Say we have x plus y is greater than 5. And the other inequality is 2x minus y is less than or equal to 4. Analyze muna natin yung unang inequality. We have x plus y greater than 5. Tapos, transpose nyo na lang si x sa kabila. Or pwede kayong mag-subtract x from both sides. Meron tayong y greater than negative x plus 5. And the boundary line is y equals negative x plus 5. So, i-plot muna natin to, the boundary line. Right here, the slope rise over run is equal to negative 1, or we can write this as negative 1 over 1. Tapos, ang y-intercept natin ay positive 5. I-plot natin yung ating boundary line. Mag-draw lang ako ng coordinate system. Okay. Ang y-intercept natin ay positive 5. So, dito yan. Tapos, sa slope, rise of negative 1 and then run of positive 1. So, baba tayo ng 1 unit and then to the right of 1 unit din. Yan. Ngayon, ano ang boundary line natin? Broken or solid? Ang ating inequality symbol ay greater than. So, walang equal, ibig sabihin, broken line yan. Yan. Tapos, mag-test point tayo. Of course, ang test point natin ay yung origin. 0, 0. Ang inequality, y greater than negative x plus 5. Substitute y is 0 and x is 0. We have 0 greater than 5, which is a false statement. 0 is never greater than 5. So, ibig sabihin, yung origin hindi included sa solution. So, ibig sabihin, itong part na to ang sheshedan natin. Next, analyze natin yung isang inequality. 2x minus y is less than or equal to 4. Rewrite natin siya. So, we have negative y. Transpose natin yung 2x sa kabila, magiging negative 2x plus 4. Divide natin both sides by negative 1. So, we have y is greater than or equal to positive 2x minus 4. So, kapag nade-divide kayo ng negative number on both sides, i-flip niyo yung inequality nyo. Okay? Huwag nyo kakalimutan yon. And therefore, our boundary line is y is equal to 2x minus 4. Which means, ang ating rise over 1 or ang ating slope ay equal to 2 or 2 over 1. Tapos ang y-intercept natin ay negative 4. Mag-plot tayo. Let's say this is negative 4. Negative 4 is right here. Gamitin natin yung slope concept. Angat tayo ng 2 units and 1 unit to the right. So that's right here. And this time, solid line ang gagamitin natin kasi yung inequality symbol greater than or equal. Tapos, mag-test point tayo. Origin ulit. Ang inequality, y is greater than or equal to 2x minus 4. Substitute y is 0 and x is 0. And therefore, we have 0 greater than or equal to negative 4, which is true. Therefore, yung origin part, kasama yun sa solution. So, shade natin itong part na to. Ngayon, ang intersection ay itong region na to. Yan. Tapos, i-draw natin ang ating mga boundary lines. Ito ay solid. Yan. At ito ay broken. So, ayan yung ating solution. Next inequality, let's say we have negative 1/2 x plus y is greater than negative 3. And the other inequality is x plus y is greater than or equal to 2. So, analyze muna natin yung unang inequality. So, we have negative 1/2 x plus y is less than negative 3. Transpose natin to sa kabila, magiging positive. So, we have y is less than 1/2 x minus 3. Therefore, ang boundary line ay y is equal to 1/2 x minus 3. Ang ating slope or the rise over run is equal to 1/2. And then yung ating y-intercept ay equal sa negative 3. Ngayon, i-graph natin tong boundary line. Ang ating y-intercept ay negative 3. Tapos ang slope ay 1 unit rise and 2 units run. So, right here. Is this a solid line or a broken line? this is a broken line kasi ang inequality symbol ay less than lang. So, draw tayo ng broken line passing through these 2 points. Now, mag-test point tayo. Test natin, again, the origin, 0, 0. We have y is less than 1/2 x minus 3. Y is 0 and x is 0. Therefore, we have 0 is less than negative 3, which is false. 0 is greater than negative 3. Ibig sabihin, the shaded region should be right here. Hindi kasama yung origin. Next, analyze natin yung isang inequality. Burahin ko lang to. We have x plus y greater than equal to. Transpose natin si x sa kabila, magiging negative. We have y is greater than or equal to negative x plus 2. At ang boundary line ay y equals negative x plus 2. Ang ating rise over run or ang slope natin ay negative 1. That's equal to 1 over negative 1. And ang slope natin ay positive 2. I-plot natin itong ating boundary line. So y-intercept is 2. Slope is 1 over negative 1. So 1 unit rise, negative 1 unit run. Let's say this is negative 1. So right here. And this line is a solid line kasi greater than or equal ang ating inequality symbol. So draw tayo ng straight line. Yan. Tapos mag-test point tayo. Of course, test the origin 0, 0. Copy y greater than equal negative x plus 2. Y is 0. X is 0. And we have 0 greater than or equal to positive 2, which is not true. So this is false. Ibig sabihin, hindi rin kasama si origin sa shaded region. Ito yung kanilang intersection region. Yan. Tapos draw natin yung boundaries. Dito ay broken line. Dito ay solid. Yan. Yan ang solution.